wants to get rid of the hairs on their body. And why only girls? Even the guys these days, as the trend is, they want to shave their beards and even get rid of the hairs on the chest as well as the back. Now, laser hair reduction is the most common non-surgical procedure that is usually done in any dermatology clinic. Now, there are several myths associated with laser hair reduction. Let's discuss about this. The first myth is that laser hair reduction is not safe. Now, this is not right. Laser hair reduction is done always by a dermatologist or under the supervision of a dermatologist. Several parameters are considered before doing the laser, like the skin type, the type of the hair growth, whether it is thin or thick, and the area which needs to be lased. Depending on these parameters, the laser strength is given. Depending on these parameters, the laser is done by a certified dermatologist or by an esthetician. The second myth is that laser hair reduction will cause the hair to grow more thicker. Now, this is not right. Laser hair reduction causes the hair to become more fine and more thin. Basically, the terminal hair is converted into small baby fine hairs or the vellus hairs. The third myth is that laser hair reduction can cause burns over the skin. Now, if we choose the parameters appropriately depending upon the skin type, then laser hair reduction does not cause any kind of burns. But yes, if you are visiting some quack or a non-certified dermatologist or any beauty parlors where these lasers are done, then definitely you are at risk of developing these kind of scars. The fourth myth is that a single sitting is sufficient for laser hair reduction for the complete removal of the hair. No, this is not right. Laser hair reduction usually takes 5 to 6 sittings, and sometimes more sittings are required depending upon the condition of the patient or depending on the hormonal parameters. If any patient is having PCOD, then there are several hormonal disturbances in the body, and in such cases, more sittings might be required. And it's also important to know that if you are suffering from any kind of hormonal abnormality like PCOS, the medical treatment is always required and it has to be taken simultaneously along with the laser hair reduction sittings. Only then you will get an appropriate and good results. The fifth myth is that laser hair reduction can expose your body and the skin to harmful radiations and it can cause cancer. This is not so. The penetration of the laser light is not beyond your reticular dermis, that is just the upper part of your skin, and there are no chances that it can cause any kind of cancers on your skin. The sixth myth is that laser hair reduction is a painful process. No, laser hair reduction at the max can just cause some tingling or burning sensation, just like some ant is crawling on your body. And if we apply proper gel and if we give the proper wavelength or the energy to the patient, it will not cause any kind of pain or burning. The seventh myth is a very interesting myth. It is said that laser is only meant for females and not for males. No, as I said in the beginning, laser can also be done by the males. The indications for male laser hair reduction are usually the beard shaping, where you want to get a crisp line of beard. The other indications are some males have lot of hairs on their chest and on their back, so even the males can get laser hair reduction. The eighth myth is that laser hair reduction can make your skin dark. No, this is not so. If you do the laser properly, laser hair reduction will not make your skin dark. In fact, it will give you benefits and it can lighten the skin, because most of the females before the laser they usually get done waxing or applying some wheat creams or shaving, and these processes can eventually make your skin thickened and dark many a times. So once you start getting the laser done, the skin will in fact improve, the pigmentation will get better. It is not otherwise that laser will not make the skin dark. The ninth myth is about the bikini laser. Many females are apprehensive to get done the bikini laser They feel the laser can penetrate their important organs or vital organs like the uterus. So it might cause some harm later on in their pregnancy life or in conceiving a child. This is not so. As I said earlier, the laser light will not penetrate beyond your superficial skin, that is the dermis, and it will not reach to your internal organs. So there is no harm in getting the bikini laser done. It is not going to affect your vital organs.